In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest from a Trello board. If you're collaborating on a Trello board and someone no longer needs access, removing them keeps your workspace tidy and your information secure. In Trello, a guest is anyone who's been invited to a single board but isn't a member of your workspace. Removing a guest takes just a moment and you'll need to be a board admin to do it. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, open your boards view. This is where all your boards live and it's the quickest way to find the board you want to manage. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're looking at the right one so you remove access from the correct board. Next, select the specific board where the guest currently has access. Click to open it. Give the board a second to load all lists and cards so everything is up to date. Now look toward the top of the board for the share button. Depending on your layout, it's typically in the top right area of the screen. Click Share to open the panel that shows everyone who has access to this board. This is your hub for managing members and permissions. In the sharing panel, find the guest you want to remove. Guests are usually labeled, or you can recognize them as people who aren't part of your workspace. If there are many members, use the panel's search field to quickly locate the person. When you found them, click the drop-down or menu icon next to their name. This reveals their member options and make sure you're about to change the right person's access. From that drop down, choose Remove from Board. If Trello asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. The guest will immediately lose access to the board and won't be able to view cards, lists, or comments anymore. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the share button or the remove option, you might not be a board admin. Ask an admin to make the change for you. Removing a guest from the board doesn't delete their past comments or activity. Those stay for record keeping. If the guest was assigned to any cards, those cards remain, but they'll no longer be assigned to that person. And if you want to prevent re-entry, make sure you control new invitations, since a fresh invite would be required for them to rejoin. That's all there is to it. Clean, simple, and secure.